Hey guys, it's James and
Zoe.
welcome to a brand new week, girl. You won't believe how much I slept in today. Like, I am so glad I have my 2 days off in a row that I planned it. It wasn't for anything. I just want 2 days off because I need one of them where I just sleep. No alarm. I just sleep, wake up whenever I want. I think I really needed it, and I feel a little groggy, but I can't imagine how good I feel. The fact that I just slept. Sometimes you just need a day like that. But that's me, because I know some people will like a day of just going out, seeing fresh air and stuff to regenerate. I need a day of good sleep, and I feel a lot better. I'm a little groggy still, yeah. Anyway, I woke up this morning, I had some coffee, and then I edited my vlog. Surprisingly, I was gonna have like a really chill day where I didn't do anything today, but I'm feeling productive. So I am actually gonna change my bed sheets today, clean the bathroom, and clean the kitchen floors. I'm actually feeling productive. I'm folding some laundry because I think it's also the fact that I have tomorrow off too. I think my body's telling me and my brain's telling me, hey, you have another day anyway. Why don't you get some stuff done? So I'm feeling productive. So I'm gonna get that going. I did have like a really light, I guess not really a meal, light snack. I wasn't really feeling hungry. I'm still not feeling too hungry either. So I think maybe after I do some cleaning around the house, maybe I'll get some hunger. So we'll wait and see. But yeah, I'm gonna get going as the video is exporting because I don't have to wait for my video to upload long because of my fast internet that I told you guys about last week. So we'll see. Phone update. My phone is still working properly. So I guess I can't wait till September 15th to get a new phone, but I'm just not closing it. I find that if I close it, like close it, it doesn't work properly afterwards. So resisting the urge to close my flippable phone is very, very hard, and it kind of defeats the purpose of a flip phone. But I've read many articles about the Samsung Z Flips. You know, after certain flips or closes, it does deteriorate over time. Apparently the lifespan of my current model is like 200,000 open and closes. I didn't know that because I would do that quite often, even if I just open a message and close it right away. I feel like I overkilled it a bit. But right now it defeats the purpose of having a Z Flip phone because I can't flip it closed. But maybe for the new model, I read the new model is 400,000, they improved it, which means someone in the laboratory must have been doing this the whole time and counting when it will break. I guess when you think about it, it's like a light switch. If you turn on, off, a light switch, eventually it'll stop working, right? So I gotta think like that for the next one because I am not getting an iPhone. You guys know that. I'm not getting an iPhone. Just got back from a huge grocery haul. Oh wow, this box is nasty. I should pick better. But yeah, no, I got some more zero sugar Pepsi Lime. I love it. And if you've noticed, I think I've only bought zero sugar pop for like a long time now. I've gotten so used to it now. I was craving some all dressed chips and they were on sale, so I grabbed some. I grabbed some chocolate chip muffins. Some more of these little button potatoes, some pork sausages. And then I saw this on TikTok this garlic bread that's supposed to be in the freezer, and then you just put it in the oven. It's ready in 5 minutes. I saw this TikTok mom always use it, and they're always thick ass pieces. As I was saying, they're always giant pieces. So I was like, I can always make my own garlic bread, but the fact that they're just giant ass pieces, it just seems like it's a better deal. Picked them some more salad. And then I got some more lemons, because that's required these days. I got some of this mozzarella cheese that's already grated, because I'm trying to recreate a recipe, not a recipe, a dish that my mom used to make a lot when we're actually trying to save money. Basically, she took a slice of normal bread, got some sausages or some cooked ham or something, sliced it, put it on the bread, butter in the bread, put the sausage or ham on the bread, sprinkle a lot of cheese on top, put it in the toaster oven, and it was hella good. So yeah, I'm gonna keep making that. But I'm gonna do a little variation on it. Maybe I'll add a vegetable to it or a little spice to it, but yeah. And I got some of these pork chops as well. So I am still good for not buying takeout. I am cooking, I'm making simple meals. It doesn't have to be extravagant as long as I'm satisfied in my stomach. No, appetite's good. Because another good way to maintain your weight and to lose weight is actually just eat enough. And when you feel full, stop eating. It's definitely an Asian or Chinese person's kryptonite, because when we grew up, a lot of parents would be like, oh my, eat, there's still food on your plate, eat. So we're always been grown to always constantly eat. So we always go overboard. So yeah, that's always been horrible. So our brain has always been in tune, like, oh, there's a little bit of food, let's finish eating it, even though we're full. So yeah, not the greatest. I just got home from work, but you know, before I came home from work, I went to Halu Nori. It was pretty good. I've always wanted to try it, but the locations are always really far away, and you know me, I'm not gonna go far away for food unless I really want it. But I'm glad I tried it. It was really, really good. Price-wise, it's not the cheapest, but the quality of food and the service is definitely there. So I do recommend it, but you know, don't expect the portions to be crazy. It's definitely an experience with good food. That one with Zoe, we've always been talking about it, and it closes at 11, which is really good because me and Zoe finish work at 9:30, so works out very well, and it's like right there. Anyway, I didn't really vlog yesterday. It's been a really tough week in general. Work mostly. It's just been a little bit overwhelming this week. A lot's been happening over the last month or so, with lots of change at work, with staffing, like you know, Taejon stepping down and Scott not working as much, but now he's working a lot again. And then, you know, there's a lot of shifting, and it's just been quite a lot on me, a lot on my shoulders. And you know, don't get me wrong, Zion has stepped up a lot and he's doing a fantastic job. It's just I think I'm just lacking some manpower. Like, I'm just lacking one more manager, and then it should be good. It's been really hard to schedule things. But I looked up a lot better today. Like, you know, I did tell myself that, you know, I can't control everything. As long as I'm aware of what's going on, I can plan the best I can. And you know me, I like to plan for all scenarios and have options. And you know, the problem is that I don't know what's too much that's going on, so I can't plan too much, that's why it's getting me all stressed and anxious. But today I really relaxed a bit, and you know, just make sure I can do what I can. Right, the day, that's all I can really do. And honestly, my walks, I have not stopped yet. My walks have also been a great help with me mentally, not just physically. It's just clearing my mind. You know, every time I go on a walk, like a 1 hour walk, I do have my headphones and blasting music, but it's also a way for me to just walk and just clear my mind. And you know, it definitely helped with the stress over the last month or so, because if I didn't, then I'll probably be going crazy right now. But yeah. Fun fact, I've been walking every day, but there are days where I'm just not feeling it, but I still force myself to go. I might not go for a full hour, I might go for like a 20 to 30 minute kind of thing, but at least I'm still moving. In general, it's one step at a time, and as long as I'm taking steps, I think it's still the right path, even though I'm not doing the full hour. But I think in theory, I think once, 2 or 3 times I didn't do the full hour. I did like 30 to 40 minutes because I was just not feeling it that day. But at the end of the day, I still took a step and going for a walk, so that's important. Upcoming week, nothing too much planned. I think it's just work. Inventory's coming up, so we gotta prep for that. But other than that, it should be pretty good. Things are settling down, so it should be alright. But yeah. I was supposed to meet a friend tomorrow, but I don't know if that's still gonna happen. We'll find out. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here so I don't forget to end it like I always do. So I'll see you all next week.